So today we're going to get everything cleaned up here for the inner primary, and then get the clutch basket and all that on, and get everything torqued down to spec like it's supposed to. We'll get the primary chain tension properly done. Also, we're going to be putting a new gasket. We've painted the outer primary cover. You'll see that here in just a little bit, and then we'll be putting the clutch nut on and the transmission nut, and then also the engine nut, which you'll have to torque down to spec. It's always good to look up everything and make sure you have all the proper tools. Now we're going to clean the old gasket surface here so we can get the new gasket down and make sure everything looks good. We cleaned the bottom side, the top side, made sure everything looked like it's supposed to. And then we'll get moving on to the rocker boxes. Once we get those in there, we'll get those started to get cleaned up. We have the rocker boxes here. As you can see, someone used some other type of silicone here that's not supposed to be on these. It's supposed to be a rubber gasket. We're going to get these cleaned off, get it prepped, and have everything ready for when we put the new gaskets on. couple of threaded holes here that the threads are kind of chewed up on and messed up on. So I want to go ahead and get some WD-40 in there and get them soaking. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a tap and we're going to go ahead and rethread these holes, clean them out to where they look the best. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.